first came to Dr. Brewer, my smile was pretty embarrassing. I compared it to meth mouth is the best way I could put it. When I was deciding to have this done, I researched quite a few different places. I went to one of these affordabledentures.com, and the level of care there, I could just see that it wasn't going to be what I was looking for. I felt like I was going to get half a job done. When I first came to see Dr. Dean, he gave me a thorough exam. We sat and we talked. He was a really nice guy. He made me feel comfortable, and it was fairly pain-free considering what was done. Eye care was really basic. It was a very fast approval process, and the interest rate was reasonable. It was really easy to use. I would recommend it to other people in the same position. Since I've gotten my teeth, I don't have to stop myself from smiling or laughing. I don't catch myself like laughing and going, oh no. I can laugh and just enjoy myself, and it's a lot easier. It felt like I was looking at somebody else. That was the best way I can describe it. When I actually put my teeth in and I looked, I was like, wow. It was an amazing feeling, honestly. I researched a lot of different places, and Dr. Dean's office, all the people here are great. They knew my name from the second time I came in. Every time I walk in the door, it's hi, Scott. They're always real good about, reminding you about your appointments. They're easy to work with. Everybody here was, really cool. That's the best way I can describe it.